Hi everybody, welcome to Lulu La Vida. And today I'm going to bring you a very simple recipe called frijoles peruanos de la olla. These are going to be the ingredients. You're going to have 1 pound of frijoles peruanos, unless you want to have pinto beans. It's your choice. I like these ones, the hueritos. So I already rinsed them. And then the next ingredient, it's going to be 1/4 of onion. See, then I'm gonna have 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 garlic cloves. Now, salt, remember, it's always to taste. Now we're gonna have a pot of water, and the pot's gonna be 3/4 of the water. And then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add the ingredients to the pot and let it cook for about 2 hours. It could be 2 hours, 2 hours and a half. It depends on the of how you have the heat. So now we're gonna add the beans. Remember, they're already rinsed. So you add the beans. Now we're gonna add the onion, and then we're gonna add our garlic cloves and our salt. We're gonna put the flame of the fire. It's gonna have like a between low and medium in between, and then we're gonna mix those ingredients, and then we're just gonna go ahead and cover it up. And I put the timer. I usually put the timer on 2 hours, and then I check them. Okay, so it's been 2 hours. Let's check our beans. Let's see if they're soft, tender, and you can just pick them up and look and see if they already, they're tender. You can get one, touch it, but look, just by looking at them, they're already opening up. So these are ready. But if they're still hard, what I recommend is just add 20, 30 minutes more. So thanks everybody for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one.